Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is extremely beautiful, cute, creative and amazing in itself, because in this video I am sharing a very beautiful, easy to make 3D, eye-catchy, mesmerizing and beautiful designs of face masks that are only made with crochet patterns. So friends, these are very easy crochet patterns. Different types of crochet patterns have been made and have been used, have been shared with you, and the purpose of this video is to enhance you, to persuade you to please take care of yourselves, because COVID-19 is a very dangerous and pandemic situation, and its fourth wave is in its full form, and it is creating problems for a lot of human beings, so every age group, from every gender. So I request you to please take care of yourselves and make a habit of wearing masks while going out. If you are fashion conscious, if you are dressing style conscious, and you want your dress to be extremely exquisite and beautiful with you, then please do try these designer patterns. And all of these crochet masks are very easy, designer based, easy to make patterns, and they look classy, stylish and beautiful at the same time. These masks are lightweight, affordable, they are comfortable, reusable, washable, along with filter pockets. They are made along with organic thread to keep you protected and safe and give you a very comfortable and light look. Friends, these are not only comfortable for taking care of yourself from COVID, but these are also very helpful for avoiding different types of skin problems, sun damage, breathing acute problems, pollen allergies and many more aquatic viral problems. So I suggest you to please do try these patterns, and if you want me to share more creative, amazing and stylish design ideas with you, then please do comment below this video and let us know that what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you. And this video is an absolutely beautiful, unique and stylish designer style, easy to make pattern technique and design ideas collection for my friends and family members who are lovers of crochet. They want to make some creative items and stuff with the help of crochet, but very simple and easy mask patterns. So friends, with this allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Kindly watch the video till end. If you really like my video, then don't forget to like, and if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.